welcome back to my channel. I'm back passionate. Bonjour et bienvenue. And today I'm going to show you how you can personalize your Calvi card order directly on the HERMES website. So you see menu on your left side. I am currently on the Belgium website, so you can have the menu in English. You choose women, then under bag and small leather good. And then you can see small leather goods. So here we are, you've got the selection of all small leather goods, and you can see that for Bastia Campers and Calvi card order, you can personalize them. So let's choose Calvi card order. So now you can see on your right side that you got all the selection you can do to personalize it. So the first step is to choose the leather. So you got two options, Epsom card skin, like mine, which is really nice for everyday use because it's really unscratchable. Or you can choose also Swift card skin, which is also a very nice leather. More expensive, but really nice leather, really smooth, and it ages well. But okay, let's go for the same like mine. So Epsom card skin, you got the price here. So you can see Epsom is €282 and Swift card skin €338. So let's go for Epsom. Then you choose the exterior color. You can see you've got choice. Of course, not the newest colors are here, but it gives you a good idea. You can choose a nice color too. So we got gray, gold, rouge ash, rose azalée, rouge de cœur, jaune ambre, like my Bastia Campers, vert cyprès, bleu du nord, bleu électrique, bleu indigo, étoupe, gris éteint, et noir, black. So you got the choice. So it is spring, let's go for a nice color. Let's choose gray. And they told you to choose a different color from the inner lining. So you can see we've got gray exterior and interior, and but we will change it. Then you choose the lining color. So you got nearly the same color. Let's go for something really, really springy, rose azalée. Or you can do different, rose azalée and the interior gray. Oh, I love it. I really love it. So, but that's an example. For sure you do like you want. Then you choose a marking. So you got the possibility to put your initials or a date. So let's go for initials. Let's go for mine, bag, and I want a horse. Here they are, you can see. And then you choose the typography. So the typography, you can choose a stamp zone, for example, in the interior or the exterior, which is also really nice. So let's go for exterior. Then the style, philosophia or accurate. You see, it changes. Then you can also choose the size of your impression, PM, the smaller one, or MM, the bigger one. You can see the difference. And the color of the typography, silver or tone on tone. It's quite nice. Then, if you are happy with your personalization, you can go directly to add your item to the cart, or you can save. You write here your email address, and you can keep your personalization and think about it, and when you will open, you can choose it. You will not forget what you have done, and I think it's really nice to have this option, because sometimes we can have difficulty to choose a color, and because the item is pricey, and it will be sad to do something and regret it after. So So yes, I think it's a good idea that you can save your work. So yes, thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. And yes, it gives you an idea how it works on the HERMES website. If you have questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment below. I will be more than happy to answer you. Do not hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, and why not consider subscribing to my channel. It will be great. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Merci d'avoir regardé. Je vous souhaite une excellente journée et je vous dis à très bientôt. Bye guys!